Hey guys, Liam from Killer Ink here, and today we have with us the ever popular Cheyenne HAWK Pen. The HAWK Pen was the first ever pen style tattooing machine that has inspired countless rotaries since its debut at the prototype back in 2014. Even years after its release, the HAWK Pen is still one of the most popular pen style tattoo machines, with many of the world's top tattooists using it today. So let's see why artists can't get enough of this machine. As you can see, the HAWK Pen is shaped like a marker pen, which was an innovative design when first released. This design means that the machine is quieter and vibrates less than conventional tattoo machines. The idea of the pen-like shape was to give artists the closest feel to a marker pen as you could with a tattoo machine. For this reason, artists have more control and accuracy whilst using the HAWK Pen. In addition, its design makes the pen very easy to wrap with a clipboard cover, or some grip wrap. Although the HAWK Pen comes with a 25mm grip, it can also be used with an ergonomic 21mm grip that is sold separately. If you prefer to use disposables, we also have 3 types of grip available: the Ergo 1-inch, Ergo Round, and Ergo Long. The machine also comes with a connection cable, manual, and pen tray in the box. This pen tray features a non-slip base to make sure that it won't move off your work surface, while the actual machine fits perfectly into the groove here. The pen is powered by a precision DC motor and has a 3.5mm jack plug connection at this end. It has a stroke length of 3.5mm and needle depth adjustment range from 0 to 4.5mm. The HAWK Pen can be used with conventional cartridges from all major brands, including Cheyenne's own HAWK cartridges and the latest craft cartridges. The Cheyenne HAWK Pen is available to order in various colours via the link in the description below. We also offer packages that include the machine, extra grips, a Cheyenne PU power supply, and a Cheyenne HAWK foot switch. So what are your thoughts on the Cheyenne HAWK Pen? Let us know in the comments below, hit that like button, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.